I was at school yesterday. She was happy with the gift. We were in the park on Sunday. I was fit for the match. He was at the station. It was very hot yesterday. They were at home. You were in a hurry. She was my neighbor. We were late to the party. I was at the hospital. He was angry with me. It was not working properly. They were playing cricket. You were very helpful. He was very tired last night. It was a great movie. They were my classmates. You were right about the answer. She was ready in time. We were excited for the match. I was busy last week. He was a kind person. It was holiday yesterday. They were watching TV. You were quiet in class. She was wearing a blue dress. We were good friends. I was learning to swim. You were late for the meeting.